What up, my friends? Hope you guys are well. So in this short video, I want to talk about how fake people are and how to ensure that the people around you are not fake. Because you have too many people that are fake around you, you're going to be misled. You're going to be led astray. You're going to be bamboozled. And by the time you wake up to what's really going on, it might be too late. And I don't want that for you. By the way, greetings from my village over here in Africa, sitting under this amazing baobab tree, chilling. One thing you guys need to accept is there's so many people that only want to gain something from you by being in close proximity to you. Not because they're real people or genuine people. Maybe they're gaining something. They're either gaining your energy, some money, they could easily borrow some money maybe, or they're getting free advice or attention. That's the other one. That's the other thing. The thing about fake people is that they come in all shapes, sizes, ages, and colors. I've met people that are real, that are younger than me. I've met people that are fake, that are older than me. What's really bad is a lot of you guys who look up to these people that are older. Just because somebody is at a big age does not mean they're real. If they're giving you advice about anything, they could be giving you advice about starting a business, going to school, even some of the life choices, life decisions, such as who you're getting married to. I'm in my 40s now. There's so many things in life that are major life changing. Like getting married is life changing. Moving to a different city or country is a life changing experience. Going to school is life changing. Learning a brand new skill is life changing. Meeting new people that are more successful than you is life changing. So before you accept any advice from anybody, it doesn't matter who it is, you need to ask yourself this question. Is this person real or are they fake? And there are ways to figure this out. Study these people for a while. Could be 6 months, 1 year, or even more. Take notes. Have a notebook. I always walk around with a notebook, by the way, and a pen. Whatever you tell me today, I'm going to remember in 5 years. I'm going to remember next year. I'm going to remember in 10 years. I want to see the pattern in behavior. Are you real or are you fake? Unfortunately, a lot of you guys, you get emotional. You get caught up in loyalty to family, loyalty to friends. You say, just because we're friends, just because we're family, I'm going to take your advice and go with it. Don't do that. That's the worst thing you can ever do. I've seen people that have taken advice from complete losers. Losers that are of a big age. That's the worst, by the way. And these losers of a big age, they have a lot of influence, right? You've known them since you were a kid. But what you don't know is these people are actually losers and they're dysfunctional. So they'll gaslight you into thinking that their advice is solid when it's really not. How they gaslight you is by saying things like, well, it's tradition. This is how we've been doing things for a long time. Don't buy into that shit. It's all nonsense. If you do your own due diligence, you do your own research. There's YouTube now, there's AI. We're now beyond the information age, guys. There's so much information out there online, is unlimited information. So if I want to study the culture of South Africa, the traditions of the Zulu tribe in South Africa, I can do so. I can just watch a bunch of YouTube videos of people that I respect. I can pull up all this information, stitch all that information myself. So if I meet some guy who's like a Zulu guy and he's older and he tells me about his tradition, I'll listen. I'm going to compare notes. I'm going to take notes. I'm going to compare my notes to what he's telling me. I'm not just going to take his word as gospel. No, hell no. That's very dangerous. It's extremely dangerous. There are a lot of fake people out here, guys. It'll shock you, even at a big age. All it takes is critical thinking. When somebody's trying to tell you something, use your critical thinking skills. Not everything is gospel, guys, or else you're going to be led astray. This is how people become very miserable. I've seen people at a big age that are so miserable, they're giving out shitty advice to the younger people because misery loves company. Misery loves company. This is why I created my private membership group on this channel. This group is for other winners.